Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and today I have a special unboxing. So I signed up for one of the Elfsters mystery diamond wasn't Elfsters, it was on mystery diamond painting. Let me see if I can look up. It's a Facebook group. I should have been more prepared. But it's, I'll have the link down below. Mystery Diamond Painting Fun. So I love it. About every 4 to 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, they ask if you want to sign up, and I of course did. And I think that's what's in this box because I have not ordered any diamond paintings in the past couple weeks. And so here we go. Let's see what's in here. I have camera just for a minute to slice through it. And what I like is you can sign up, like, do you want Ever Moment? Do you know, usually there's 2 different types of sizes. And then there's there's not really a price range, so if you do really great. All right, so let's see. They were supposed to take the thumbnail off. Oh, they did not take the thumbnail off. Okay, so I am not gonna look at the inventory sheet. Crinkle, crinkle, mute your phones. All right, there's the inventory sheet. I'm gonna fold it so I don't see until my husband can help me cover that picture. So it's gonna go over here in my drawer under some stuff because I do not want to know what this is. But look at these beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. So you email the person and you talk back and forth on likes, dislikes, things like that. These colors are gorgeous. They are square. I have no idea what company it is. It's a 40 by 60. And then what you do, let me see here. I'm not gonna look at the thumbnail, people. All right, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna get this piece of tape because the thumbnail is right here on the other side and I do not want to look at it. So I'm gonna get this piece of tape. My scissors do not like duct tape, but this will cover it up for now. Okay, so I cannot see the thumbnail at all. So then it had a foam roller on it. So I don't have my light pad here because I don't want to be able to see through it. And I need to be very careful. I can't undo the sticky to lay it flat because I don't want to see what this is. I want it to be a mystery. That's what mystery paintings are about. People, don't peek. Then it's no fun. Okay. So, one of my friends said that you then duct tape so that when you're using your light pad, you do not see through the picture. So you would put the pieces of duct tape down like so. And then that's what you would get to see each time. Like, so I think what I'm gonna do is cut or fold back the piece. So like this, what I'll do, here I'll do it on this side. I hope I have you guys in the frame because make sure it's not too big. No, it's perfect. I have to clean my scissors. They've got that duct tape goo on it. Luckily I have some Goo Gone I can use. All right. So I'm not doing this piece right here because I'll probably start here. And so what I'll do is I'll bend this back. Oh, that's so pretty. Like so. And I will do just that part right there. And then when I'm done with that part, I'll bend it back right here. Runaway painting. No cheating. I'm super excited about doing this. Super excited. All right. So I'm not going to do it all on camera tonight with you. I'll do some tomorrow. But that's how I plan on doing it. And so yeah, go check out Mystery Diamond Painting Fun. You do have to quote unquote apply for the group, meaning fill out a couple questions just to make sure you're not some troll or computer. It's not hard questions. And then she will post things to the group. And when it's time for another pairing, she will ask people who want to be paired. I think this is so fun. Now, what I did is I tried to communicate with China because I got mine from AliExpress for my person I was matched with. But I could tell based on how the company was talking to me that they were not going to remove the thumbnail. They said they were, but it was like they weren't understanding what I was saying. And that's what happens with the language barrier. Now, Evermoment has, is used to these mystery paintings now, so they know. But I, at the time, did not have the money for an Evermoment, so I did not sign up to do an Evermoment mystery where you can. And that's what's really cool, is you can say, no, I want to stick with Evermoment. So I finally told the person I was matched up with, I said, look, I have tried and tried and tried. I said, I don't trust that they're understanding what I'm saying. So do you have somebody in your household or a friend who could open it for you and do what you see I'm doing so that it's not spoiled? And she said, yeah, that's not a problem. Now, some people, they'll have it sent to them and then they can remove the thumbnail or cover it up like I am and then send it to the person. But then you're paying the shipping and handling. AliExpress, you'd only be paying it once, but I was like, seriously, why am I going to do that if the person I was matched with was okay with having somebody open it for her and remove the evidence? So, all that to say, I'm super excited to start this, and I will. So right now, guys, I'm in a dilemma because I have my tiger from Rainy Days. I have my lion from Star Wars. I have my gnome, which was a gift from Beth, my Christmas gnome. And then I have this mystery painting. And then I'm also doing my Christmas collab. I just, you know, maybe I should just quit my job and diamond paint. Hopefully it were that easy. I don't think my clients would like it if I quit my job, and I don't think my husband would either. He'd be like, excuse me, why isn't this light bill being paid? I'd be like, because I was busy diamond painting. And he's like, do you realize you cannot diamond paint unless you have lights on? I'd be like, I'm sorry. And then they'd be like, why isn't there any food in the fridge? I didn't have the money to go buy anything because I'm not working. And you're like, you need to get your little booty out there. So, well, guys, thank you so much for humoring me and watch me struggle with opening this. But I wanted to share this new experience. I started my channel all by like the new things of diamond painting, and this mystery painting is definitely one of a first for me, and I wanted to share that first with you guys because you are my diamond painting family. So here we are experiencing my first mystery painting, and I thank my wonderful partner for picking something out. The colors look fabulous. I can't wait to kit it up. I just finished, you guys saw London Nights, so I will have plenty of Harbor Freight storage. Oh, look at that. While talking, I think we're gonna finish. So I'll be able to kit this up the next couple days. So my thoughts, my rambling thoughts, are I will probably do a little bit of, I'll kit this up, but then I'll start on maybe my tiger. Because I really, really like white tigers, and I think that's going to be really pretty. So, and this has, I'm just trying to see the number on here. Oh, they don't give a number. All right, so this has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. I think it's 44. I could have miscounted. Let me see if the inventory sheet says on it. 41. I did miscount. So there's 41. And this looks like it's going to be so much fun. So I'm sorry I couldn't. I need to straighten this out. I couldn't show you what this is, but together you and I will figure it out, and I can't wait. So thank you so much to my partner. Go check out Mystery Diamond Painting Fun on Facebook if you'd like to try it. So until next time, guys, be blessed, take care. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.